We like to think we had a very successful implementation, and I think that comes down to a number of key areas, the biggest of which we think is because we treated the SAP implementation as a business project, not as an IT project. So we took people out of the business to work on the project team, freed up time for them to work a couple of days a week on the implementation, so that we're getting real world input into how the system was configured into the testing and things, so that when we went go live we had a relatively smooth go live process, and very quickly after go live we were back up to normal production volumes and shipping levels.
We have two phases to our program. We have a phase one. Fundamentally, that is order to cash, and it's to give our businesses the basis to be able to do fundamental business. We then see phase two coming along, which actually will create add-ons and wider use of SAP and growth of the template. And for example, most of our customers in aerospace are SAP based, and we see that simplification and speed of working and direct work through EDI will be one of those picks which comes right at the front of the list. So probably in the next 18 months we will be starting those EDI programs with key customers to actually bring in that simplification and benefit to both sides, both the customer and to us.
We had an initial project which probably ran for over a year at Malvern, looking at a CRM solution for the business. So we mapped out our sales process, and it became evident that what we wanted, we did want a CRM system, but also we wanted a system which integrated with our back office, because we didn't want to spend big bucks on a CRM system and then spend big bucks on an integration project as well. We wanted everything packaged in one. When we started to look at these systems, there was really only a few systems which gave us the ability to integrate, a CRM solution with the back office. And I think at that stage, really, the timing was that SAP were looking more at mid-sized companies as well. So, I think it was probably a good timing for us to a certain extent. But I think, when we looked at it, we thought that the solution offered by SAP was a bit more superior in terms of the CRM offline solution.